Hi everybody! It's very nice to see you again. Today we'll look at vocabulary words for things that you find in the streets. They are all nouns and will be useful for giving directions or saying where you are. When walking on the street, it's best to keep to the pavement. A pavement is a path by the side of a road that people walk on. Here is an example of its use. It's illegal to park on the pavement. If you need to go from one pavement to the other, you should first find a pedestrian crossing. A pedestrian crossing is a special place on a road where traffic must stop if people want to cross. It is also known as a zebra crossing. Can you guess why? An example of its use is: the children were already on the pedestrian crossing when the car stopped abruptly. Traffic lights are set of red, green and yellow lights that are used to stop and start traffic. So if you ask for directions, you might hear, "Turn left at the traffic lights." Traffic lights are very important at junctions because they regulate the traffic between cars and pedestrians. A junction is a place where two roads meet or cross each other. Here is an example. The accident happened at a busy road junction. When there are big junctions, maybe with 4 different roads coming together, there's probably going to be a roundabout. A roundabout is a circular junction. So someone might tell you, "Take the last turning at the roundabout." Now it's over to you. Can you make a sentence using 4 of the 5 new words you learned today? Write it in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video.